BabyTV and the other channels will be closing down forever. This is because some very bad people from far away are planning to hurt us. They want to hit us with big bombs and kill lots and lots of people, including lots of animals and wildlife. And the sky won't be blue for a while because of all the smoke. Those who are left will likely be very sad for a long time, so they need lots of hugs during the time left here, just before it happens. Your town or city might look a bit like this.
These have gone. Everything's dead. Why didn't you pull the bloody aerial out?
Get the standbys working.
That. Come on.
Unfortunately, we can't stop it, and this will happen at around 6 a.m. tomorrow. At latest, try not to be scared and do something you like draw a colouring book or play with your favourite game. You should get some water and food together, as lots of places will be closed for a while. Stay at home with your family. They will keep you as safe as possible. Don't go outside, especially after the bombs drop, as there will be things in the air that make you feel poorly or even die. We've had a wonderful time presenting